Hello everyone, welcome to the Lovely Ladies Collaboration 2020. This is actually our last one for 2020. We will be continuing this collaboration into 2021 and it still will post on the first of each month. I think we changed the time slot to 9 or 10 a.m. instead of 7, which is when I should have had mine posted. Eastern time this is. But of course I'm late, so I apologize to my collab mates and to all of you, but here it is. So this month was Season's Greetings, and I just did a simple card. I used this little girl who was gifted to me as a pre-stamped image by, I believe, Charlize's Crafty Corner some time ago. So I wanted to use her for our Season's Greetings theme. So I put it on Stampin' Up's Cherry Cobbler cardstock. This is from Stampin' Up's 'Tis the Season Designer Series paper in the August to December mini catalog that's going on right now. So that is still available, last I heard. And I did use Stampin' Blends to color her in dark Rococo Rose, light and dark, Petal Pink, light and dark So Saffron, light and dark Cherry Cobbler, light and dark Shaded Spruce, and light Basic Black, and the dark actually is the Stampin' Right marker on the very bottom, just to do her soles. And then I used, where did I put them? Yikes. I used a different white pen, but it's just almost like Stampin' Up's chalk white, which I should have just used. But it says paint like ink for dark or light paper. And not really sold on this. It does say archival permanent opaque ink, acid free, for her hat, her little thing, and her mittens. But then, this is retired. You can't get this anymore. But I used this Snowfall Accents puff paint just on the brim of her hat and her tassel. I didn't use it on her little mittens. And what you do is it comes out as a liquid, you put it on, and then you use your heat gun and it bubbles up and makes it look puffy. You probably could use another dose of it, I guess. I was afraid to get too close to the edges of the hat and the pom-pom there. It just gave it a little texture. And then the silver here, not crazy about either, because it actually, I don't know whether it's the paper or what, but I used this, I think this is what I used, pretty sure, this scrapbook.com silver paint pen, opaque metallic ink, to do the bell, but it just barely touching it in the beginning, it started tearing the paper. So then I pretty much had to dab. So I wasn't crazy about that either. And then I just put one of Stampin' Up's metallic pearls in silver. So as I was saying, the silver kind of tore the paper up a little bit. I did then take Wink of Stella, which Stampin' Up sells, and put it on the bell as well as her shoes, her little eyes, and her lips. And then I used the Stampin' Up Holiday Rhinestone Basic Jewels, and I used the Cherry Cobbler. I used the last 3 on that sheet, here, and here. And I stamped Season's Greetings from Itty Bitty Christmas, also by Stampin' Up and available now. I just used this little Season's Greetings, which worked perfectly on a 1/2 inch by 4 inch strip of Whisper White. Glued that down, bumped her up on, not dimensionals, on foam adhesive sheets. So just cut a piece that would fit under her and bumped her up on that. So that is my simple card with this pretty little girl here. And I just, so far on the inside, I've just put a extra piece of this background paper, and that is it. That's what I have for this month. I'm sorry I am late-ish, and yeah, sorry to my collab mates especially. I'll do better starting in 2021, I hope. Yeah. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Please do check out all the other collab members who will be linked down below. And we'll see you in 2021 for a continuation of Gorgeous Girls. And we'll have some new people joining us, I believe. And I have to get that list together, and we'll have a new... actually, we're going to have a pretty similar one of these. It'll just say 2021 on it instead. So we'll see what happens with that. Yeah, so look for us in 2021. And on the same day, starting in 2021, we'll have a separate collab called House Mouse. Yay, we're back with House Mouse. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.